Hello YouTube, this is Dom from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. And just want to say thank you for all the people that liking and watching and subscribing to my channel and been there from day one, and newbies and everything in between, you know. But anyway, this is a haul from Tuesday morning, and this is probably going to be a week haul. I must confess that most of the time my hauls are probably about a week late by the time to get up, because I have the worst internet. So I try to put a video up a day so that I have some each day. And so, and even when I come home with a haul, I can't get up the same day. I only have a limited window, which is early in the AM, to get a video up. So it's just drama. So I usually, they may be a few days behind by the time it's up. So, yeah, so probably by the time this video up, it'll be at least 4 or 5 days after I already gotten this stuff. But I try to keep my Instagram, which I haven't been doing that as well, but I try to keep my Instagram more current when I'm in the store. I try to take pictures. That lets you know typically what you see in there. My haul is going to be coming based on what I see. But, so you may see the stuff in Instagram before you see it here. So that's just a good place to look. DaretoBeCreative one. But I've been having sometimes my phone, I use so much of my data up. I need to get unlimited so that I won't have an issue uploading. I'm rambling now, I'm sorry. Anyway, so this is my haul. This is the Pebbles mini envelopes, which a lot of people don't haul in those. And they're just cute little envelopes. And that's the different shapes right there. And they were only $1. And the price is 99¢. 2048401, and I think it's another paper set. Why is my, it looked like it went in and got darker lighter. Anyway, so that's a real cute set, and I actually got 2. Definitely going to share one of those. This is the Bliss Simple Stories clear stickers for $1.99, 2052668, and that's what those look like. And I'll show you the other side as well. That goes with that Bliss paper pad. And this is the Simple Stories Bloom. And this is 2052677. There's also a Bliss by My Mind's Eye. So it's 2 different Bliss paper pads out. And that's those stickers. There's some words sentiments up there. It's where it's out by that Claire. And thank you guys for all you asked about or made a comment about my voice and me being sick. I do appreciate your well thoughts and prayers. Much better. This is 2053179. Not fully gone, but much better. That was a cute set. $1.99. I did pick up 2 of these because I have a ton of my home paper. And it's $1.99. So this is just a ephemera piece. The veiling pieces and the leaves and the flowers. So, excuse me. 2045045. Got those. And alrighty, so I need to check. I got so many dies over here. I put them in different piles, different videos, trying to remember which one is which. And I've been through them. Excuse me. I think I got them right. This Momentum leaf set is $3.99. I got to double check to make sure I don't have this one. 2053209. These come in handy when you're doing your flowers and floral arrangement. Excuse me. I thought this was a nice size pineapple one. And I've seen this for $12.99 in HL. And in, I don't think I saw it in Michael's, just in HL. But anyway, so I thought it was real nice, and that's a nice size banner as well. And this is 2053216. Got different numbers. These 2 I picked up for my sister. These are the Seth After kind of mixed media dies. These are more pricey. They went up. They're $5.99. So it was a couple of dies that I saw coming in was $5.99. They have the same date of October 18, but they're $5.99. So this is 2045499, and this is called Take Flight. And the actual number for Spellbinders is S4620. And then this one is Pocket Watch. And this is 2-piece as well. S4624 is their number for Spellbinders. Tuesday morning number is 204-5497. And of course I read those numbers because you can call the 1-800-PRODA hotline, type in that number and your zip code. And you can set the miles, 50 to 100 miles, whatever they tell you, if that's in your area. Now sometimes the stickers don't always match the right item. And if you don't have the sticker, you might not even know. It might be something else in your store that's there. So really still worth the trip most of the time. But if you're in a pinch, call and save yourself a trip. This is the gumball machine, 4-piece, $3.99, 204-5470. And Spellbinders is S1002. A lot of times in the store, I Google the Spellbinders number and look at examples to see if there's anything I think I could work with. So this is the spring one, 5-piece set, 204-5475. It's got a bunny, some eggs, a nest, a butterfly. This is a 7-piece floral flourishes. So you got your different pieces that you can always add to any, you know, flower arrangement or just clusters that you want to add. 204-7548, and the Spellbinders number is S4327. This one is the nestabilities. That means so they all fit consecutively within inside of each other. That's not the word, consecutively. Anyway, this is Lacy Squares, and it's 204-7543. This is a card creator one where you can actually just make a card out of this. You can cut it into the paper or cut it out. So it is a 2-piece die set, and it's the size of an A2, which is a half of a sheet of paper. So it's a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And the SKU is 204-5503. Of course, you can color over it like they did here with your markers or your chalks or your inks. Or you can cut several times and go back and fussy cut, put the layer the pieces in there as well. So there's a couple ways you can kind of present that. This is Adorning Accents 4-piece set, 204-7567. And they're nice pieces as well. And then the last one I got was the Renaissance Border one, 2-piece set. So you got the insert and then the cutout. And it's 204-5491. So I come back separately with a different haul with the tonic dies. Alright, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.